Today we learned some Japanese phrases for
Don't worry about that. そのことで悩まないで。Don't worry about that. This book isn't worth reading. この本は読む価値がないです。This book isn't worth reading. I'm not in favor of such a plan. 私はそんなプランには賛成できないです。I'm not in favor of such a plan. He has broken the record. 彼は記録を破りました。He has broken the record. I can't do it. 私には無理です。I can't do it. We will keep it for you until you leave. あなたが出国するまでお預かりします。We will keep it for you until you leave. Do they sell notebooks at that store? あの店でノートは売っていますか? Do they sell notebooks at that store? Tom likes to play baseball. トムは野球をするのが好きです。Tom likes to play baseball. Look at the map on page 62. 62ページの地図を見てください。Look at the map on page 62. I raised my hand to ask a question. 私は質問するために手を挙げました。I raised my hand to ask a question. He does not know English, much less French. 彼は英語を知りません。フランス語はなおさらです。He does not know English, much less French. I have an appointment with him at 6. 6時にお会いする約束ですが、I have an appointment with him at 6. Is he right? 彼は正しいですか? Is he right? I heard someone calling my name. 誰かが私の名前を呼んでいるのが聞こえました。I heard someone calling my name. Winter in New York can be very cold. ニューヨークの冬はとても寒いかもしれません。Winter in New York can be very cold. This house has 2 bathrooms. この家には浴室が2つついています。This house has 2 bathrooms. He is a student at a high school. 彼は高校の生徒です。He is a student at a high school. I ate a hamburger and ordered another. 私はハンバーガーを1つ食べてもう1つ注文しました。I ate a hamburger and ordered another. How long will you stay here? あなたはここにどのくらいの間滞在しますか? How long will you stay here? Please take one. 自由にお持ちください。Please take one. We moved into a new house. 新居へ引っ越しました。We moved into a new house. I don't know French. 私はフランス語を知りません。I don't know French. He can swim well. 彼は泳ぎがうまいです。He can swim well. The dog was digging a hole. その犬は穴を掘っていました。The dog was digging a hole. It was a dark night. 闇夜でした。It was a dark night. She'll do it in 24 hours. 彼女なら24時間でできます。She'll do it in 24 hours. What does she have? 彼女は何を持っていますか? What does she have? Would you like me to help you? 私がお手伝いいたしましょうか? Would you like me to help you? How's business? 商売はどうですか? How's business? Don't let me down. 私をがっかりさせないでくれ。Don't let me down. I'd like to see your sister. あなたの妹さんに会いたいです。I'd like to see your sister. Could you drive more slowly? もっとゆっくり走ってください。Could you drive more slowly? It was so dark that they could hardly see. とても暗かったので、彼らはほとんど何も見えませんでした。It was so dark that they could hardly see. He has no children. 彼には子供がいません。He has no children. Is it hard to speak English? 英語を話すことは難しいですか? Is it hard to speak English? I'm learning music. 私は音楽を習います。I'm learning music. He is taking a walk. 彼は散歩に行っています。He is taking a walk. He asked her if she knew him. 彼は彼女に自分を知っているかと尋ねました。He asked her if she knew him. I was not as strong as my father. 私は父ほど強くなかったです。I was not as strong as my father. Come and help us. 来て手伝ってください。Come and help us. He is the captain of the team. 彼はチームの主将です。He is the captain of the team. As a matter of fact, it is true. 実はそれ、本当です。As a matter of fact, it is true. Why don't you come to the movies with me? 僕と一緒に映画を見に行かない? Why don't you come to the movies with me? Please answer the phone. すみませんが、電話に出てください。Please answer the phone. He has got a good camera. 彼は良いカメラを持っています。He has got a good camera. Make a copy of this report. この報告書の写しを取りなさい。Make a copy of this report. Do you see him often? 彼によく会いますか? Do you see him often? We're going to have a test today. 私たちは今日テストがあります。We're going to have a test today. No news is good news. 頼りがないのは良い知らせです。No news is good news. I bought it. 私はそれを買いました。I bought it. He cheated on the biology exam. 彼は生物の試験でカンニングをしました。He cheated on the biology exam. You will soon adapt yourself to this new life. すでにこの新しい生活に慣れるでしょう。You will soon adapt yourself to this new life. He lives next to me. 彼は私の隣に住んでいます。He lives next to me. My sister takes piano lessons twice a week. 私の妹は週に2回ピアノのレッスンを受けます。My sister takes piano lessons twice a week. What did he say? 彼は何と言いましたか? What did he say? You look very tired. あなたはとても疲れているように見えます。You look very tired. What do you usually do on Sundays? あなたは日曜日には普通何をしますか? What do you usually do on Sundays? I have been studying for 2 hours. 私は2時間勉強しています。I have been studying for 2 hours. These aren't my books. それらは私の本ではない。These aren't my books. I don't like this jacket. このジャケットは好きではありません。I don't like this jacket. Where will we eat? どこで食事をしましょうか? Where will we eat? Who will look after your dog? 誰があなたの犬の世話をするのですか? Who will look after your dog? Take good care of yourself. 健康には十分気をつけてください。Take good care of yourself. Don't be afraid to make mistakes when speaking English. 英語を話すときに間違うことを恐れてはいけません。Don't be afraid to make mistakes when speaking English. This bus can hold 50 people. このバスは50人乗りです。This bus can hold 50 people. Can you speak French? あなたはフランス語が話せますか? Can you speak French? They never tell a lie. 彼らは決して嘘をつきません。They never tell a lie. Add a little sugar and cream. 砂糖とクリームを少し入れてください。Add a little sugar and cream. He has his own car. 彼は自分の車を持っています。He has his own car. The train was crowded. その電車は混んでいました。The train was crowded. I'm terribly sorry. 本当にすみません。I'm terribly sorry. Anybody can do that. 誰だってそんなことはできます。Anybody can do that.